Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Both AirPods 4 and the case have charge, and your phone has Bluetooth on. Once done, open the case near the device and accept the pairing prompt. This establishes the primary audio route. Make sure the AirPods firmware updates automatically by keeping them connected for a few minutes. You do this because firmware often contains noise cancellation refinements. Pairing first prevents connectivity glitches and ensures the ANC features appear in settings when you move to activate them. You now enable active noise cancellation from the Bluetooth or AirPods settings screen. Tap the AirPods 4 entry, choose Noise Control, and switch to Active Noise Cancellation. This routes processing to the ANC algorithms. Make sure to check ear fit and adjust ear tips until you get a tight seal, because ANC performance depends on a physical barrier to low frequencies. Once set, play a familiar track and toggle modes to compare. This helps you hear the difference and fine-tune fit and volume for You finish by learning quick controls and a key fix. Toggle ANC from the control panel or by pressing the stem depending on your settings, which lets you switch to transparency when you need awareness. If ANC doesn't engage, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds, then repair. This clears misbehaving profiles. Also inspect and gently clean the ear mesh, wax or debris block sensors and acoustic ports, which is why cleaning restores proper cancellation and sound clarity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.